Morning children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, today I Tapas sir welcome you in this new class of moral science to class 4 students. Today I am going to teach lesson number 2 of moral science. Veggies are our best friend. This lesson tells us about what the importance of vegetable in our life, especially for the small children, school going children. They don't like eating vegetables. For them it is very important to listen the story how vegetable can change our life, make us fit and healthy, so that any type of disease or germs, especially now we are passing through very hard time of this COVID-19 coronavirus, this type of germs cannot affect our health. The vegetables makes us internally strong to fight against these germs. For them, for those children who don't have love for vegetables, they should listen this story. Let's start the story. Matu was a sweet plum boy. He loved eating all the time. His house was surrounded by field of green vegetables and juicy fruits. But Motu had no interest in fruit and vegetables. Motu was very sweet plum boy. Plum means fat boy. Loved eating all the time. He loves to eat all the time. His house is surrounded by many vegetable and juicy fruit trees, but he don't like those vegetables and fruits to eat. He rather loved eating the fast food or spicy food or oily food like French fries, chocolates, ice cream, samosa, cutlets, and he ate them all the time. He loves eating this type of food all the time, which directly affect our health. So soon Motu was very big and fat. Many in school teased him. One day he escaped into the field and sat down there sobbing. Means regularly eating of this type of food will surely affect your health. Motu became so fat and huge in size that his friend in the school always teased him of his fatness. One day he ran out from the school and went to a field nearby and started to snob. Snob means crying loudly. Started to cry loudly in the field all alone there, because he was feeling very bad why his friends were teasing him. Suddenly before him stood a radiant lady. Radiant means glowing brightly, means the lady was shining, or her face was shining. She was green in color and wore clothes and jewels made of vegetables. Her full body was looking green because of she was wearing green vegetables and fruits. All the ornaments also, what she was wearing was fruits and vegetables. She said, "Don't sob, Motu." That lady told to Motu, "Please don't cry. Why you are crying? I am here to help you. You don't worry. I am here to help you. I am going to help you. Say me your problem. Who are you?" asked Motu. Motu asked to that lady, "Who are you?" She said, "I am Sakhavati, the goddess of garden." And she told to Motu that I am Sakhavati, the goddess of garden. Means she is a goddess of garden, the garden which is generally have in our house, that garden goddess. Motu shared his problem with her. She said, "Let me introduce you to some friend. They have helped many children become strong and healthy." Then Motu told her problem, how his friend in the school teased him for his fattiness. So that lady goddess told to him, "Please don't worry, this is a very small problem. I will take you to some of the friend who will surely help you in this regard, because they have helped many children of this type of problem what you are having. They will help you too. For some time you will be able to hear them talk, come along. She first took him to the tomato patch. The bright red tomato welcomed him warmly. They said, "Hello Motu, we are rich in vitamin C." She took Motu to a field which was full of vegetables. First they made some tomatoes. Tomatoes generally have red in color. They welcome Motu to their world. The Motu, you are welcome to our world. We are tomatoes. We are full of vitamin C. If a child will you eat, as he can save himself from cold, cough and many other diseases. Then she told to Motu that if a child will regularly eat us in his food, surely he will have, internally he will be strong. He can, or his body can fight against cough, cold, many other diseases. Next they crossed a patch that looked empty. Sakhavati said, "This is a veggie patch. The potato are below the ground." Suddenly Motu heard them. "Hi Motu, everyone loves us. But most people make a mistake." Then they went to the next field. It was vegetable field. The lady god told to Motu, because it is a potato field, potatoes are generally found inside the soil. They are inside the soil. You cannot see potato outside the ground. So the lady god told to Motu that potatoes are there inside the soil, but the potatoes welcome Motu to their field. You are welcome to our world. So Motu, you know, everybody loves eating potato, but most of the people make mistake. What the mistake? They like us fried, but we lost all the good in them. Us. When boiled or baked, we love lot of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C and many more good things. The potatoes told to Motu that most of the people eat us by making us fry in the oil. It is a wrong way of eating us, because we potato have potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C in us. If you boil and bake us, surely you will get all the vitamins, proteins, iodines from us, which will surely help you in getting a good health. Motu felt bad. He had eaten so much of potatoes, but he had missed all the good in them. Motu also thought that I also ate too much potato in my life, but the way which the potatoes are saying that the wrong way people generally eat, that wrong way I have eaten the potato, I have fried them. So the potato were no use for me, because the wrong way of eating food also can affect a bad health. He told them, "From now on I will eat you in the right way." Sakhavati led him further to the pumpkin patch. Next, Motu told to the potatoes that today onwards I will eat potato in the right way, as the potato told us, boiled and baked, not fried. Then they went to the next field. It was pumpkin field. The pumpkin spoke to him, "I have countless vitamins in me. My juice clean the stomach and throw out the fat. So if you eat me in time, you will lose your extra fat." So Sakhavati took Motu to the next field. That was the field of pumpkin. Pumpkin told to Motu that I have a juice that helps in cleaning stomach and throw away fat from your body. Fat is very bad for our health. We generally have fat when we eat oily food, or butter or cheese or chocolates. This type of ice cream can lead us to a very fatty body, which is very bad for our health. That can be cleaned through this pumpkin juice. If you eat pumpkin in your food, you will surely get the best out of pumpkin, making your body fit and fine, free from fats. Sakhavati and Motu visited vegetable after vegetable. Each had a wonderful tale to tell. Next field also they have gone. Next to that another field they have gone. Means after one another field they have gone to see what is the importance of that vegetable in that field. And each had a wonderful tale to tell. Means tale here, T-A-L-E, tale means story. Every fruit or every vegetable had something to say to Motu, how he can take care of his health. Finally, Sakhavati gave him a juicy hug and said to him, I have to go now and help other children like you. Keep enjoying your friend from the field. Next, at last, after visiting all the vegetables field, Sakhavati told to Motu that I will give you a hug. Means out of love, he hugged, he blessed Motu that in future you will know the importance of vegetable and you will use them in proper way to keep yourself fit and fine, and you can enjoy your life when you are healthy and fit. Soon you will be healthy and happy, and she disappeared. Once again the vegetable patch became silent, but now Motu had learned that the veggies were his best friend. He began to enjoy vegetable, boiled, baked and raw. He also enjoyed chips and chocolate, but he ate them less than before. Soon by eating right, he became taller, slimmer and stronger. Now nobody was talking from the vegetable field because the goddess of vegetable or the garden has gone away. But Motu got the message what vegetables gave to him, and he knew now what is the importance of vegetable in our life, especially in his life in the story. The Motu, after that day onwards, he began to love vegetables. He loved eating vegetables by boiling them, baking them, or eating raw like salads, eating raw. But he also enjoyed chips and chocolate, but now he was taking the chips and chocolate less in quantity as he was taking before. Now he is not taking that much. Soon by eating right food in right way, he became taller, slimmer and stronger. Now he was no more fat, and people or friends were not so any type of fat in him, because by eating right food in right way made his body strong, taller and slimmer. This was the thing which vegetable gave him, or made his life more easy to spend or easy to enjoy, made him smart, made him confident, and everybody loved him because he was fit now. This story is over, children, and this story gave us a good message that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So we should eat healthy food enriched with all nutrients. Means if you want to become a healthy person, you have to make your body healthy. Then only your mind will be healthy, you will be a successful person. The body is healthy when we eat right type of food or balanced diet food, having all type of nutrients. Here are some of the pictures you can see. The food we should love eating to make our body healthy. These are the food generally, or green vegetables, fruits, every type of fruit juice, rice, pulses, a type of cereals you should eat regularly. Only fast food or food content rich in oil, butter and cheese will not help you to get a good or healthy life, healthy body. Prefer vegetables all the time surely you will find yourself best of your health and you will enjoy the life. Thank you children for watching this video, and thank you for listening this story attentively. These are all the meanings of the hard word you can get here. God bless you children. Stay at home, stay safe. As you know, virus is in the air. If you keep yourself at home, obey your parents, don't roam here and there, surely you will find yourself safe from this harmful virus. God bless you. Be at home. Bye bye.